Alright guys, what's going on? Cold Double Act back here today with another video, and I'm going to be showing you guys a card trick with a deck of, you need a whole deck of cards for this. So, this card trick is how to make the top card, it's how to make the top card go from the middle of the deck to the top back to the top of the deck, because it starts on the top. But first, I am going to show you guys it. Alright guys, so basically how you do that is, you're going to take two cards from the top of the deck. So as you can see, the actual top card is the 7 of diamonds, but the one you're going to be using as the top card is the Jack of spades. So, you want to make sure they're perfectly aligned on the top of the deck to show your, the person who's watching, to show the spectator. So you want to make sure it's perfectly aligned, doesn't look like there's two cards. And same when you're flipping it over, you want to make it look like there's not two cards. Then you're going to place them back on the top of the deck, and you're going to take that top card, the actual top card, which is the 7 of diamonds, and place it in the middle of the deck, and show them. You can show them, be like, here it is, going in the middle, right? Then you're going to do 3 snaps. The fingers, you can do 1 slaps, you can do 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter what you do. Then you're going to pull it and show them that that was the top card. So it's a simple, easy illusion magic trick that is so easy. I literally just learned it now, and it's like one of the most easiest card tricks I've ever done. So if you're in need of learning a card trick, this is a great beginner card trick and a great one to fool your friends, your family. Just a great one to just a great magic trick to fool your friends or something. It's a good illusion, so it looks like, you know, the top card is actually came back to the top, because everybody believes that second card is the top card. But I hope this video was interesting. Hopefully you guys learned that card trick super fast. It's, like I said, it's so easy, simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, people.